All right, everybody, I'm excited to talk about the wonderful world of advanced injections. Yes, neurotoxins and fillers.
It's so great. I love this is my favorite topic.
The brow lift technique is to focus on the fact that your frontalis, if that muscle is engaged, that's going to give the best lift.
There is an area under the eye, we like to call it the jelly roll, that we can treat with just one unit in that under eye, and it will help relax the muscle.
We're looking at, her glabella area. She's scowling. Go ahead and lifting up. So we're going to be able to treat this top third.
You can tell that she likes to pull with her bunny lines.
Why would somebody want to do their earlobes?
Because we're fixing their jowls, and then as their eyes are moving, they're going to see their ears, and then those earrings are starting to hang, like we wanted to add something. So all areas that we can rejuve.